You don't need to spend a fortune to get quality tools. Today, we're checking out some of the best options under $1,000 that are actually worth your money. Let's jump in. Hydraulic Hole Puncher. The RFB-3A cordless hydraulic hole puncher is a precision-engineered Japanese tool designed to punch holes up to 20 millimeters in diameter through mild steel plates up to 10 millimeters thick. Its compact and lightweight design makes it ideal for both remote work sites and workshop environments. Manufactured to strict JIS commercial standards, it offers reliable and durable performance for professional use. The price for this tool is set under $1,000, making it a cost-effective choice for those needing a high-quality hydraulic hole puncher. E-TORC Q. Experience precision like never before with the Gutster. E-TORC Q. This $1,000 electronic torque wrench is a powerhouse for professionals, offering ultra-accurate measurements, a vivid 4.3-inch touchscreen, and smart software for real-time tracking, analysis, and data storage. Perfect for quality control, R&D, and high-stakes tightening tasks, it's not just a tool, it's a revolution in torquey technology. Gutster Demo Bar. Meet the Gutster Demo Bar, your ultimate demolition sidekick for $114.90. At 48 inches, this beast was built by a contractor who knew old crowbars just didn't cut it. Its rugged, multifunctional head lets you rip, pry, tear, and gut with jaw-dropping ease. Built tough for serious jobs, it makes demolition faster, smoother, and way more satisfying. Say goodbye to struggle. This is power in your hands. ProSpray PS 4.23. Unleash pro-level power with the ProSpray PS 4.23, an airless sprayer built for painters who won't settle for less. Perfect for residential and small commercial projects, it delivers flawless finishes with incredible efficiency. With Bluetooth and the Wagner Spray Manager app, you can adjust pressure, track runtime, and get real-time alerts right from your phone. Bonus, it runs up to 5x quieter than standard sprayers. Power and peace, all in one. Jost Useit Dust Pad. Priced at $29.49 USD, the Jost Useit Dust Pad is a high-quality sanding accessory designed to completely remove leftover dust from surfaces, even after using dust extraction systems. While Jost Useit abrasives already minimize airborne particles, static charge can leave fine dust behind, and that's where the dust pad comes in. It ensures surfaces are perfectly clean and ready for finishing, making it an essential tool for professionals who want spotless results. WELDPLAST 600. Meet the Leister. WELDPLAST 600, the powerhouse of plastic welding. As Leister's most robust hand extruder, it delivers up to 6 kilograms per hour, making it perfect for big jobs like tanks, pipelines, and reservoirs. Built for pros, it features an ergonomic design, dual rod intake for flexibility, and brushless motors for long-lasting, low-maintenance performance. When high output and durability matter, the WELDPLAST 600 brings unmatched strength and precision. Sealey BuilderVac. Tough, smart, and built for pros. The Sealey BuilderVac is your go-to wet and dry vacuum for just $257.59. Perfect for workshops, job sites, and garages, it features powerful M-class filtration to trap particles down to 1 micron, keeping your air cleaner and safer. With a rugged stainless steel drum, smooth swivel casters, and a clever filter shake function to maintain top suction, this vac tackles messes like a champ, liquid or dry. JM3 Oil Filter Wrench. The JM3 Oil Filter Wrench, priced at $24.99 USD, is a simple and effective tool designed to make removing oil filters effortless. To use it, you hold the tool with the JM3 logo visible in your palm and rest your thumb on the outer ring, which remains stationary as you squeeze the handle with your middle fingers. Acting like a torque multiplier, the wrench requires minimal effort and no heavy leverage, allowing the tool itself to do the work with ease. FC 5500. Step up your painting game with the Wagner Finish Control FC 5500, professional-grade precision for $751.21. This powerful stationary XVLP sprayer features a durable brushless turbine and a 4.1mm visco nozzle, making light work of everything from stains to primers. Want flawless, high-gloss finishes on doors, windows, or stairs? No problem. With optional attachments for lacquers and enamels, the FC 5000 is your all-in-one solution for fast, smooth, pro-level results. Polyvance's 6180 Mini Fuzer. Tackle plastic repairs like a pro with the Polyvance 6180 Mini Fuzer, your all-in-one welding station for just $599.95. Compact yet powerful, it's perfect for fixing everything from bumper covers to farm gear and rec equipment. With both a hot air welder for strong ribbon rod bonds and an airless welder for reinforcing mesh and thermoset plastics, this tool delivers fast, durable results across a wide range of materials. Repair smarter, not harder. Magnetic drilling machine. Power meets portability with the Uribor EBM.360 magnetic drilling machine, built for serious metalwork at $1,000. This cordless beast drills up to 50 millimeters thick steel with ease, thanks to its high-torque DC motor and 36 millimeters max hole diameter. Weighing just 11.7 kilograms, it's made for mobility. With fast charging 0 to 75% in under 17 minutes, multi-level safety features, and built-in cooling, it's your go-to for efficient, heavy-duty drilling anywhere. Funke uniTec. The Funke uniTec sewer connection offers a flexible and reliable solution for making subsequent connections to sewer pipes ranging from DN300 to DN2400 in diameter, compatible with various materials such as plastic, concrete, and clay. Its adjustable socket allows for angular deflection between 0 degrees and 11 degrees, accommodating soil movements and settlements without causing damage. Designed to meet several national standards, including Germany and the UK, the uniTec connection provides a secure, positive fitting and friction lock joint. GRDXL. Say goodbye to ladders and sledgehammers. The GRDXL Ground Rod Dog XL makes driving ground rods safer, faster, and easier for just $315. Designed to attach to a hex shank jackhammer, it securely grips 3/4 inch or 1 inch rods and drives them smoothly from ground level. Its smart end receiver ensures a flush finish every time, streamlining electrical and construction work with serious efficiency and zero backstrain. DELKO Tools Drywall Banjos. Speed up your drywall taping with the DELKO Tools Banjo, yours for just $139. This clever tool applies joint compound and tape at the same time, even on flats, corners, and square sets. Built from tough polycarbonate ABS, it features dual soft grip handles for right or left-handed use, an easy flow adjustment dial, and quick load single clip. Holding up to 150 meters of tape and 2.2 liters of compound, it's lightweight, efficient, and built to perform. Easy Tilt. The Easy Tilt by Moondog Manufacturing, priced at $1,000, is a game changer for moving grand pianos solo. It attaches securely to your piano's existing lyre points, whether Asian 2-point or Steinway single-point systems, giving you safe, stable control. This clever tool lets one person tilt any size grand piano on or off a skidboard with confidence, making setup and teardown faster, safer, and hassle-free. Drill Pump Kit. Power through fluid transfers with the Drill Pump Kit, yours for $392. This tough, versatile solution pumps up to 3 liters per minute using any drill via a universal adapter and secure strap. Made from chemical-resistant polymer, steel gears, and brass bushes, it's built to last. Perfect for automotive, marine, and industrial jobs, it handles everything from engine oil to coolants with ease and reliability. Articulating Pipe Cutters. Cut pipes anywhere with ease using the articulating pipe cutters for just $113. Designed by Reed, their hinge design fits pipes with only 4 inches of clearance, perfect for tight spots. With just a 90 to 110 degree handle turn, you're cutting efficiently, whether in trenches, underwater, or high up. Compact, flexible, and built tough, these cutters are a must-have for pros tackling challenging environments. 2-in-1 Convertible Hand Truck. Priced at $239.95, the 2-in-1 convertible hand truck is a durable and versatile transport solution made from lightweight, high-strength aluminum. It features a spring-loaded auto-release bar that allows it to instantly switch between a hand truck and a platform truck, making it adaptable to different load types and environments. In the upright hand truck position, it rolls smoothly on 2 shock-absorbing 10-inch pneumatic wheels. While in platform mode, 2 5-inch non-marring swivel casters unfold to provide easier steering. RUBI RCH. Priced at $596.67, the RUBI RCH is a robust and lightweight ceramic tile cutter designed for high-precision work with large-format tiles. Made entirely of aluminum for easy transport and daily use, it features a T-shaped guide that offers clear visibility of the scoring wheel for accurate marking. The integrated magnet system allows one-handed operation for locking and unlocking the presser, improving both speed and control during cuts. With a powerful 2,094-pound separation force, it handles all ceramic tile types with ease. Cultivator Attachment. Priced at $229, the RUBI Expand IT Cultivator Attachment is designed to break up compacted soil and prepare garden beds for planting. With heavy-duty stainless steel bolo tines and an adjustable width ranging from 178 millimeters to 254 millimeters, it can dig to a depth of 197 millimeters, making it ideal for loosening soil or mixing compost. That's it. Great tools under $1,000 that deliver real value. Got a favorite? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.